Welcome back everybody, what's going on? Bringing you a nice, easy, delicious scallop recipe here. This dish could definitely be an entree depending on how hungry you are, but for us, you already know we hungry and hammered over here. This is definitely more of an appetizer, but completely up to you. Anyway, let's get into it. Let's cook and get hammered. These are just some of the ingredients here. We have that brown sugar, black pepper, salt, mayo, raw honey, got some bourbon over there. I'm going to use Maker's Mark, syrup, beautiful U10 scallops. Also, you can see we have some nice thick cut bacon, Chipotle chilies right here going in. This is in a adobo sauce, pretty good. Also have some lemon and some parsley down there. Right now we're going to go ahead and make this aioli. We're going to sit these scallops over a beautiful honey chipotle aioli and then top it with some candied bacon. Go ahead and get that honey in there. Definitely want to use a food processor or a blender for this. Technically, I mean, you could just finely chop everything up and then mix it all up or whisk it in a bowl, but make your life a lot easier, go ahead and use this. So I'm just speeding this up here, you really don't need to see all this, but go ahead and just blend it up real nice, give it a shake, blend it again, just get everything combined real good. You should get something looking kind of like this right here. Nice color, beautiful mix of some spiciness and some sweetness. Got that parsley in there to give a little bit of freshness to it too, bring it alive. Go ahead and set this aside because we'll be using it later. Let's go ahead and make this glaze now for the bacon because like I said, these is going to be candied bacon. So we're going to start off with a little knob of butter here. Go ahead and melt that down in the skillet. That. Beautiful. Let's go ahead and throw in that brown sugar now. And we're going to hit it with a little bit of maple syrup. Go ahead and cook this down real quick, stir until everything is equally combined. And we're on like medium-high heat right now, by the way, also. As you can see, everything here kind of combined. We're starting to get them bubbles in there. Everything's heating up. Like I said, we are hungry and hammered. Listen guys, I drink from the bottle and then pour it in. Don't worry, I'm cooking for me. It's alright. I know some people get a little worried or weirded out by that, but it's whatever. Either way, we're going to go ahead and light this up right here. Cook out all the alcohol. Guys, this is not necessary. It just looks cool. Don't burn down the house trying to do this. If you just hold it over the heat, the alcohol is going to cook out of it anyway. Give it a quick blow to get them flames out of here. Once that's finished, let's go ahead and lay that bacon down on our bacon sheet. And equally and generously, go ahead and lay this out on both sides of the bacon. Just like that. And like I said, go ahead, just flip it. We're gonna go ahead and bake this on 350 for about, can do up to 15 to 20 minutes depending on how crispy you want the bacon. Kind of want the crispiness to almost kind of equal out with the scallop, so I didn't go too crazy on this. But as you can see, we got some beautiful color. That glaze is really sticking to the bacon there. Technically, I guess you could wrap the scallops in bacon also, but I thought this was the best way to present this, so just gonna go ahead and dice it up. Really no special way to cut it, just get it into small pieces here. I found this is the easiest way. Go ahead and do this for as much of the bacon that you made. Special way here. Go ahead, take a look at that. Just little bite-sized pieces like that, nice and small, diced. And for the start of the show, let's move on to our scallops here. So go ahead and season these up. First off, pat them dry. Then we're gonna go ahead and season them up with just salt and pepper. Decent amount. Nice kosher salt. If you like what you're seeing so far, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Now, also, a lot of people don't know this about the scallop. They have this little piece on the side that you should take off. You can eat it, but it gets a little chewy. It's not the best thing to chew on, so go ahead and just take them off. Get a little bit of oil into the pan. I'm using some extra virgin olive oil here. That pan's nice and hot. Go ahead and put them scallops seasoned side down first. And if you also like to watch Gordon Ramsay, you know that he puts his scallops in the pan in a clockwise fashion. Now we're gonna go ahead and don't forget to season up that other side too. Same thing, salt and pepper. Get a good look at my hands here, because that's the star of the show also. And a nice decent amount of salt too. Go ahead, let these sear. They honestly do not take long. Scallops only take maybe per side 60 to 90 seconds. Also depending on the size, but definitely don't overcook them because the scallops will get chewy. Let's go ahead and get a nice crisp sear on that side. Really liking what I see there. Like I said, do not overcook the scallops. They don't take long at all. And here I'm just being a little extra. Gonna go ahead and throw that aioli right into this bag here. And let's go ahead and plate this up. This isn't necessary, like I said, but you know, for presentation purposes, just gonna go ahead and put a little bit down like this. That's how we're gonna arrange the scallops on the plate. Go ahead and take your scallop and just place it right on top of that aioli. This dish is fully combined with sweetness, freshness, and a tad bit of spice. Right on top, go ahead and place that diced up candied bacon that we made earlier. Sit that right on top of the scallop. Once again, guys, if you really like what you're seeing here, don't forget to share, like, subscribe. Man, that's looking good. Beautiful. And let's just drop a little bit of bacon pieces just for fun around the dish. And there we go. Super simple, super fast, guys. You just made yourself a delicious entree or appetizer. See you guys next time.